Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again in Tales in Pixels, and today we are here at Garden by the Bay in Singapore, and you are going to enjoy a mesmerizing view and a hidden top terrace which my friend showed me. I'll take you there and you will see the incredible views. And stay tuned and please subscribe for part 2 as well.